Alright everybody, welcome back. I'm Nick and this is Every Day with me, Nick. We're going to run the mill today. We've got some 3.6 metre some things to make. So 3.6 is 12 foot in the old money. We've got some, if you can see them behind me, I've got some rails up that are ready for the board and batten to do around the sides of this shed, around the sawmill. I've got this one to do in between here, that one to do at some point once I can't do it yet though. Sorry for the wind, the weather's a bit hit and miss today, it's actually raining. So yeah, I've got this one to do, leave this one for now, but the rails that I'll be making are before that. And then I can do this one today. Then hopefully we might get some, if the weather don't cut us off, hopefully try and get some boards made up for the for it all. That'd be nice. I think I measured at the tallest side, which is down there, there. That's 8 foot high to the top of the like right underneath the rafter. So I'm going to do them at 8 foot. Do them at 8 foot. I'll just put you down. If I do them at 8 foot, then I know that's probably not good for you. At least I'll just cut them down to suit them. So I think yeah, 8 foot to the top of there. Then it'll go down to 6 foot, something like that. So yeah, I've had a guy over yesterday. He was helping me change the tractor tyre on the David Brown 880. It blew a tyre yesterday. Well, actually, it blew a tyre a couple of days ago. I wasn't here, but I'd only seen it yesterday. And he had a spare one down his garden, or allotment, shall we call it. And he said, "Oh yeah, I've got one. I'll bring it up for you, or come and get it." So I said, "I'll come and get it off you, no problem." So we went and got that picked up yesterday. Got it changed over, a bit sketchy, but we got her, and yeah, she's on there now, and she's holding air, and she's not the best tyre, but for me, it's absolutely fantastic. So yeah, we've got a log to put on, get some rails out, some 40mm thick rails, and yeah, I'll show you around everything once we're done today. So first of all, cut the log with the Allsformer G660. Check, that'll be to do. 2, mill it down. 3, nail it on. 4, show you what I've done. That's it. So yeah, without further ado, oh don't forget guys, APF show, that's next month, down in Warwickshire. It's the forestry show. I'll be there under Global Recycling Solutions stand. I'll be running their sawmills, and I think I'll also be operating some of their excavators as well to load the mill. So that'd be nice, or one of their excavators. So I'm actually going for me 360 ticket on Saturday morning. So so that's that. So yeah, APF show 22nd, 23rd, 24th of September in Warwickshire. I'll leave a link to that down below in the description. And you guys, if you are interested, or you guys are already there, come see me. I'm going to try and get a banner made up for my channel name and the sawmill. And yeah, you can come and see me there. And hopefully we'll have a chat. You know, if I get time, or you want to wait till my demonstration's over, then we'll have a chat. Like, see if any of yous are in that area. So yeah, APF Forestry Show, 22nd, 23rd, 24th of September, Warwickshire. Link in the description below, and also to Andy Dudley's, well, not his website, but the where he works, Global Recycling Solutions. So I'll leave that down below as well. Let's get to it. Let's go. Right, I'm not going to use the 660 because last job I was on, I can't remember if I did a video for it or not, but I ended up going into some dirt. Anyway, I'd reground the chain on the grinder, on the chainsaw blade sharpener grinder, but it's cutting on a wonk, so we're going to have to get that back on and get it all trued back up. I thought it was all back right, but clearly not. If not, I've got a spare chain for that actually. Let me see where we're at. Yeah, we'll just do it with this. The good old faithful MS260, she's tired but she still goes good. Right, we struggled getting the David Brown started there, the batteries are about at it. Oh look, you can see how old this Douglas fir is, quite clearly on that one. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, move your face, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. About 33-year-old that tree. Hey, same age as me. Oh no, I'm 32. It's amazing when you forget your age, isn't it? Or you're not bothered about your age. I've never been bothered about my age at all. Hate birthdays. Oh man. Anybody else relate to that? Anyway, right, let's get this log up mill. Watch me head. Get this log up on log deck and we'll roll it on. Right, I'll set these up. all seeing that pink line in there. I'm sorry, I've still got my string line up on the on the ends of them rafters. I tell you, recently I've just had a guy, the wood that's behind me there, that's a mix of ash and sycamore, and the lads, the tree surgeons and the lads were, they've never seen these log tongs in operation before, these timber tongs, what I use to pick the logs up with. Now mine, that's maximum throw, and they've got a, that's a 25.5 inch opening. I know that wasn't very clear there, sorry, but 25.5 inch opening. The spikes aren't that good. They could be a bit better, but anyway, they work. And he was like, oh, they'd be handy for us, for on some jobs that they do, instead of the muck grab that they've got on front of tractor. So you know how a muck grab works, or a log grapple. And I said, well, I'll make you some if you want. We'll come to a deal, make you some. So I made some. I've designed them in CAD, so I've got a DXF file for them, so if anybody wants them to run on a plasma cutter or something like CNC plasma cutter, I've got them on that. And I was just thinking there, well, if anybody's interested, what I might do is maybe sell the DXF file for them. What I'll do is I'll make them, I'll get a set made, and I'll show them to you and then see what you think. If you like them, then you can always buy the DXF file. We'll come to some sort of price for that. But yeah, I can send a DXF over in an email once payment's been made, and you can send that off to any manufacturer, like a, you know, I don't know what they're called. Yeah, manufacturer who could, you just have to give them a DXF file and they would be able to make a cut path from that. So yeah, maybe we'll think about something like that. But these they'll work brilliantly. So I'll make a set and show you what I mean, and then you can either copy them or think, well, they're not for me. So anyway, let's get back to getting this on the mill. Right, you've just seen me get it on there. It's it rolls on fairly easy. If you've just watched any of sorry if the wind's getting you here, but if you've ever just watched Sawing with Sandy, get down, behave. His videos are somewhat similar to mine. He's rolling his off a log deck onto his Woodlands HM130 Max, I think he's got. And he's just made something to stop him from rolling off the other side, which I always fear that is something that is inevitably going to happen. I just don't know when. So I could do with some sort of temporary solution, or you know, temporary till it's on the deck, till it's on the rack. So but yeah, so that's what Sawing with Sandy's just done. Just thinking on Jerry Bigelow from Bigelow Woodcraft on YouTube. You know, I've gone on about him before, and he's doing really well with his channel, and he's always busy with his Frontier OS27. He's souped his up loads better than mine, and I'm envious, but I'll get there myself at some point. I just need to get the parts in place.
Someone's at your door.
But he did an interesting video, try and link it if I can, about working out cant sizes from diameters of the log. Now there is a cheat sheet there I do believe he provides and he can give, but basically he worked out a calculation that you times it by 0.7. I can't recall what the 0.7 represents now, but he times the small end diameter by 0.7. So that's a 19-inch log. Generally I don't work in inches, but that's because that's what he does. 19 times 0.7, that will give me a 13.3 inch cant. So let's just say a 13-inch cant. So that's a square cant, no wane. Now this is fairly straight, fairly good actually. It's 19-inch at the small end and 20-inch at the big end, so there's an inch difference from one side to the other. Now I could try and shore it up half an inch and make it equal, but I'm not going to bother. So this wind's get picked up, and I hope it's not scaring you guys as much, but let's just get on with milling. So let's just we'll try and do a video just to show you me going, and then we'll what is time lapses. Sorry guys, I'm going to get a mic at some point so you guys aren't going to get wind noise all the time. I quite like the look of the DJI microphone at the moment. It looks better than the Rode wireless ones, so maybe DJI, if you're watching this, could you send me one out so I could try it, please? I have had your products in the past. I had a Mavic Pro and a DJI Phantom something. Sorry, I can't remember what that was, but yeah, I have endorsed your products in the past. Right, let's get milling. I can't find my brush, but I can't believe how wet this is still is. But I've got a tooth that looks like it's a little bit out of set there. You can see all the lines, so there looks like it's a tooth that's out of set. That is going to be my next investment for the blades. But yeah, that's beautiful. That's ideal. Some stuff I've got come out that's been very, very rough. Like, it's very, very rough. You can't make that out. Can't find my brush. Right guys, time lapses. Sorry. Alright, that'll do for today. We've got that log chopped up, well, cut, milled down. It actually took me a lot longer because I didn't go in cutting this log with a clear directive of what I wanted out of it. I just knew I needed some boards, I knew I needed some rails, and the rest of it really didn't, there was no, it wasn't any, I didn't know what I was really wanting to do with it, so it took me a lot longer, and I was umming and ahhing this, that, and I was looking at it anyway, you know, flipping it over, doing this, doing that, which is not normally things I do. I normally just cut and get things done. But so what did we get? We got some rails. Well, actually, we've got some 40mm thick stuff behind me that's on the log deck. I got some boards. I got 11 boards at 8 inch or 10 inches wide, 250mm wide. and by 12 foot long. Now they aren't going to do all of what I'm wanting to do here, but it'll certainly do some of, you know, it'll start it. So I've got some live edge stuff there that I might just take the edges off, and there's some more stuff. They're a lot wider though. I need to get them covered over actually. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So we're done for today. I've started making a door. I don't know if you noticed in the background, but I've started making a door for this bit here. I'll show you. Because I made a door frame there. That's going to be me access and egress of the shed once, you know, other than the large doors. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I'm hungry. I'm actually very hungry. I'm not tired, but I've had enough of today because I ain't got some stuff to do the next bit. So we'll have to get another log on. I think I'll try and make some pieces off some of this scrap that's on the pile. So yeah, right guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks very much for stopping by and watching. Sorry for the content. I'm going to start focusing on even the little stuff, you know, just to keep us up to date what's going on. Yeah, and also I hit the bloody log. I've hit another one. I hit that log stop with my blade, so that's going to have to come off. I've just put it on as well. Just put it on. Well, I got about 11 cuts off it, but it was still sharp, razor sharp. It's not razor sharp when it goes through steel. I'll tell you that for free, guys. Right, enough of me babbling. Take it easy. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.